Okay, we're on the Damascus job. Luis and our crew did a great job on a skywall conversion, taking out an old aluminum skywall that was leaking. We're installing a skylight framing a roof up above, installing a Milgard picture window with a lifetime guarantee up front. Skylight above as well comes with a guarantee from the manufacturer. Then we framed in a gable window at the end. Okay. In terms of flashing, come up and you see the roof edge, the roof flashing, roof to siding flashing up above. We'll tuck on underneath here. We've got flexible flashing all along the roof. We'll add additional flashing, metal flashing around the skylight. Finish the siding on the opposite end, and then we'll end up installing presidential asphalt roofing to finish it. But the conversion creates a skywall system in this kitchen that's going to be a lot more durable than what they had before, longer lasting, problem free. It's really the right way of doing a skywall conversion, as opposed to installing glass on top and setting them on top of wood mullions, which typically will rot over time. In this case, we installed it. Customers installed new tile prior to our installation, and we're able to maintain the integrity and look of that tile without disturbing it. Got existing quartz countertop that the customer had, and we worked around our skywall and installation so that we didn't affect that. Got some finished trim here at the top of the skywall to do, but once it's all painted, caulked and sealed, it's going to look really, really, really nice. So well done, Lake Washington crew, Lake Washington Windows and Doors crew.